So this wig is so old. I was going through like my wig containers and I saw it and I was like, ooh, red. But it's so old and I freaking got dye all over the lace. So I don't recommend this here. But if I remember what dye I use, I'll link that in the description box for you guys. And then you could get some quality hair and dye it that color. I'm really feeling this wig. It's super dry. But I want to go ahead and put some curls in it. I think I want to put a little bit of bangs, like long bangs. Yeah, like about here. And put some curls in it. So we're going to be using the Crea clip to add layers. I want some long layers, nothing too crazy. And the way that I'm about to do this is going to look super weird, so sorry, but this is how I do it. Then I take the Crea clip and I put all of the hair inside. There we go. And then there's a little leveler or a little bubble that tells you when it's in the middle. And then I just drag it. Like so. So I think that's good. And I'm gonna trim that off. Layers, baby. We have layers, yes. So it's time for the moment of truth. Drum roll, please. Okay, honey. Okay. She's cute. So I went ahead and put a little bit of cream foundation. Where is it? Here it is. The Ruby Kisses foundation. I put a little bit of that on there, but you can still see my cap. I feel like you can still see my cap through it, but whatever.
Ryan Little. Oh my gosh, guys.
right, we're gonna use these little strips. Gonna fold it. Ow! I dropped something on my foot. Okay. There we go. All right, guys, so I'm back. I'm telling y'all, I be transforming. I just pinned this piece up. I hope it looks good. Oh God, my lip gloss. Okay. I'm sorry if my laugh is annoying y'all. I'm a really excitable person. Like, hair and makeup makes me so happy, so I always do this weird laugh every time I'm like feeling myself. Oh, this looks so nice. This is so cute. Oh, babe. Oh! Oh, oh. Oh no, I have a piece of lip gloss on my cheek. Dang it. I really feel like burgundy and red looks good on me. And I also did my eyebrows slightly burgundy-ish. And I'll have a tutorial on that if you guys are interested. Yes, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put it at the ending of this video. And yeah, don't forget, never let anyone make you feel anything less than beautiful. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.